Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Ketsa icon theme. So to start off, there are two ways you can install this icon theme, through GitHub and through GNOME Look. I'm going to go through the GitHub way just because that's what I prefer. So to start off, open up a terminal and you can use the Git tool to clone the icons, and then you can rename the folder to Ketsa. Now from there, installation can begin because all you really need to do is decide where you want to put it. You can put it in the icons folder here. You can also place it in user share icons. In this guide, I'm going to put it in the icons folder in my home folder. And to do that, I can do icons like so. Now I'm using KDE Plasma 5, but that's okay. You can install it on any distribution, any desktop environment for that matter. It doesn't really matter, it's just icons. And then I can switch to this new icon set by just searching for icons in my setup here. I had to refresh my icon app, but it is here and I can apply it and I can switch to this for my default icons. Now some icons aren't going to show up. I'm using KDE, so naturally that's going to happen. But it does look pretty cool. I like the look of everything, and if you like, if you like different icons, you should check it out. Just in the interest of showing you what it should look like if you have a nice GTK desktop, or if if you're not using KDE like me, I will show you what it looks like. So here is what it should look like. If you get all of the icons out. The developer has made a nice little graphic here. And as you can see, some of the icons are showing up, some of them don't. It's a work in progress. I really like it though, and it's definitely worth checking out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is how to install the Ketsa icon theme on Linux. I will see you in the next video.